Still hanging on to that old fence? It might be costing you more than you think in safety, privacy, and curb appeal. Your fence does more than mark a boundary. It protects your space, keeps loved ones safe, and adds value to your home. But over time, wear and tear can turn it into a hazard. If you're not sure whether to fix or replace it, here are the key signs to look for. Rotting or splintering wood is one of the most common signs of serious fence damage. If parts of the wood feel soft or break apart easily, that means moisture has seeped in and compromised the material. Splinters are also dangerous to pets and children. If rot is spreading to multiple sections, it's time for a full replacement. Is your fence leaning to one side? That's a red flag. Leaning usually means the posts are damaged or the ground underneath has shifted. It may start with one section, but once one post goes, the rest can follow quickly. This weakens the entire structure and puts your fence at risk of collapsing. Loose or missing panels don't just look bad, they leave your yard exposed. Gaps in the fence reduce privacy and can be a serious risk for pets or kids. If you find yourself constantly reattaching panels or noticing more gaps each month, that's a sign the structure isn't holding up and needs to be replaced. Over time, weather takes a toll on your fence and the hardware that holds it together. Rusted hinges and latches stop working, and discolored materials can signal sun or water damage. When multiple parts of the fence start showing wear at once, you're looking at more than just cosmetic issues. It's a clear sign the whole system is breaking down. Not every fence needs to be replaced. Sometimes, a simple repair is enough. But when damage is spread out across several posts or panels, or when the structure feels weak, a full replacement is the safer and smarter choice in the long run. You'll save time, future repair costs, and get a fence that actually lasts. Tired of dealing with fence problems? Let's fix it. Give us a call at 781-767-3596 or visit kaonfenceinc.com to get your free estimate. We'll help you get a fence that's safe, sturdy, and built to last.